Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Yes, so today I came to you explain IPE 2021 board exams for AP and Telangana. Okay, so Maths 2B paper. So I am going to explain about the weightage. Yes, so from the Maths 2B we have circles, system of circles, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. Okay, so this is totally coordinate geometry topic, conic section, these three topics, and calculus parts, indefinite integration, definite integration, and differential equations. Okay, let us discuss about the 2 marks questions from these topics. Okay, yes, from the circles you are going to get that two marks questions from the circles. Yes, from the system of circles 1 2 marks question. Yes, from the parabola 1 question, from the ellipse no question, from the hyperbola 1 question. Okay, so this is about the coordinate geometry 2 3 4 5 questions. Okay, from the indefinite integration 2 questions, right? And so from the indefinite integration 2 questions, from the definite integration 2 questions, and here is the 1 question, totally 10 questions, right? That is about the from section A. And coming to that section B, 4 marks questions. So we are going to get that 7 questions, right? So for those 7 questions, so 1 question from the circles, 1 question from the system of circles, no question from the parabola, and from the ellipse 2 questions, from the hyperbola 1 question, right? And from the indefinite integration no question. So from the definite integration 1 question, okay, and from the differential equation 1 question, right? So total 7 questions, 2 plus 2 4 5 6 7 questions. Okay, of those 7 questions you are going to select 5 questions of which carries 4 marks, right? Coming to that 7 marks questions, yeah, from the circles. From the circles you are going to get the 2 questions, from that system of circles no question, from the parabola 1 question, no questions from the ellipse and hyperbola, and indefinite integration, yes, there are 2 questions, and 1 question from that definite integration, and 1 question from the differential equations, right? 2 3 plus 2 5 6 or 7. Okay, yeah, coming to that chapter wise, so please see this one, circles, 2 marks questions here, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 8 plus 14, 22 marks only from the circles. Okay, so very important topic, so particularly from that Maths 2B. So weightage is there, 22 marks weight is there, and particularly indefinite integration 2 marks and 2 7 marks questions. Okay, yes, this is about that weightage of that the particular topics from the Maths 2B. Okay, so let us see, I will explain about that the blueprint of the Maths 2B from the section A, from the section B, and from the section C. Just come on, have a look. Yeah, so coming to the blueprint of the Maths 2B, yes, so from the section A you are going to get the 10 questions, right? So from those section A, the first 2 questions from the circles, yeah, particularly from the first 2 questions, okay, standard form of a circle, based on that standard form of a circle, okay, and parametric equations of a circle, and what is the equation of a circle when the ends of the diameter is given, okay, and conjugate points, conjugate lines, what is the position of the circles, we may get the questions, the 2 questions from the circles, right? And from the system of circles, the third question is about the family of the circle, system of circles, angle between the 2 circles, yeah, and one more concept is the 2 circles are cut each other orthogonally, based on that you may get the question, finding the radical axis, they may ask that, finding the common chord, radical axis, common tangent, that concept we may get the questions, right? And the fourth question is parabola, the basic concept of this one, parabola, equation of the parabola is given, we are going to finding this. So what is that latus rectum of the parabola, what is the focus, like this they may ask these questions. Okay, yes, and hyperbola, basic definition based on the standard form we may get the questions, or else rectangular hyperbola, define the rectangular hyperbola, find its eccentricity, yes, about that asymptotes of hyperbola we may get the questions. Okay, yes, and 6 and 7 questions, indefinite integration, and 8 and 9 questions, definite integration, and 10th question is from that differential equations. Okay, so from the indefinite integration 6 and 7 questions, based on that standard forms is the standard formulas. Okay, based on that we may get the two questions, and particularly substitution method questions are there. Substitution method questions we may get the two questions 6 and 7, of course, and 8 and 9 also. Definite integration properties are there. Okay, based on that question, and there is a chance to get that limit of summation, very important concept, limit of summation. Okay, and the 10th questions from the differential equations, the basic concept. Okay, equation is given, so in that case some constants are there, so removing the constant to find the differential equation, and finding the order and degree, very important concept is the finding the order and degree of the differential equations. Okay, so that is about that from the section A. In these areas compulsory you may get the questions, okay, from the section A. And from section B, so 11th question, circles. 4 marks questions from the circles. Find the length of a chord, find the inverse of a point with respect to the circle. Okay, positions of the circle, right? While finding the common tangent, show that the two circles are touch each other externally or internally, find the common tangent at the point of contact. Okay, so these are all the very important concepts. And here 12th question is from system of circles, family of the circles. Okay, 12th question, yes, S plus lambda L method, S plus lambda L problems are there. Okay, yes, that thing. And 13 and 14 from this ellipse, 13 and 14 questions from the ellipse. So one question from the basic definition of the ellipse, we are going to get that some equation, okay, which is in standard form or which is not in standard form, equation of the ellipse. From that you are going to find out the totally. So what are the vertices, what is that foci of that ellipse, what is that eccentricity. Okay, yes, like this we are going to find the all the things. What is that latus rectum of that ellipse, that is from the 13th question. And 14th question about this tangent and normal conditions, they are going to give in the equation, show that that is a tangent or not, find the point of contact. Okay, so this here is the concept is the tangents and normals. And from the 15th question also from the hyperbola, same concept. Okay, so basic questions, we are going to, they are going to get that equation of the hyperbola, may not be in standard form or may be in standard form. From that you are going to write all the things. Okay, vertex, focus, eccentricity, okay, and the length of the latus rectum, like this. Or else so question from the tangent conditions to the hyperbola. Okay, yes, and here indefinite integration. Okay, indefinite integration, and here is the differential equations. Yes, from the differential equations, so we have some models are there. Okay, that is particularly types of the differential equations, variable separable methods, right, variable separable, okay, and homogeneous equations and non-homogeneous equations, linear differential equations, like this. We'll get one question. Okay, that is about that section B. Okay, yes, come on. So let us discuss about that section C. Come on, have a look. Yeah, coming to that section C, 7 questions are there. Okay, so from those 7 questions we are going to select 5 questions, so 5 7, so 35. 18th question from the circles, 19th question from the circles, 2 questions from the circles. Yeah, particularly the 18th question is the, so the basic thing, find the equation of a circle which is passing through 3 points, passing through 3 points concept is it. Okay, and concyclic points, compulsory question, that is from the 18th one. And from the 19th one, direct common tangents, direct common tangents. Okay, find when the 2 circles are given, so first we should find that the positions of the circles, after that we are going to find the direct common tangents. So they may be direct common tangents or they may be transverse common tangent, common tangents concept. Okay, transverse common tangents, they may ask that like this. Okay, and that is about that 18th and 19th from the circles. Okay, yes, and the 20th question is from the parabola. Okay, yes, any question they may give that standard form of the parabola. Okay, and some 7 marks questions. Okay, that's, and from 21 and 22, indefinite integration. Okay, indefinite integration. Yes, so from that indefinite integration, whatever it is, some methods are there. Some methods are there. Okay, of those methods, we may get this question. Some particular rule. According to that rule, we are going to solving that one. 21 question, and particularly 22 question. Okay, reduction formulas are there. Reduction formulas. Okay, that is the integration of sine power nx, cos power nx, tan power nx, secant, cosecant, based on that integral by parts concept. Okay, yeah, from 23 definite integration questions. Sometimes they may ask that there is a chance from the areas concept. Okay, and 24th question is differential equations. Yes, of those models, any of the model, that is linear differential equation, non-homogeneous equations, homogeneous equations, solving those type of equations, we may get the questions. That is about that the total blueprint of maths 2B students. Okay, yes, have you got this one? So please go through this one. So you will be perfect compulsory totally from that maths 2B. You will get that very good marks from the maths 2B from the board exams. Okay, yes students, if you like that this video, please share to your friends and your juniors. Okay, so please stay tuned to my channel to get one more upcoming interesting video. So until then, goodbye.